Welcome back. What's going on, guys? Alright, in this video I'm going to show you a tailgate table for a Jeep Wrangler. Straightforward and easy installation. So this one's by the Rough Country. Got the little Jeep logo right here. It's pretty sturdy. Hey! Got some cup holders. It's pretty messy. Time for another modification. We got this table from Rough Country. It's in the box. And we're gonna install over here. So we got two upper holes. Now it's time for the bottom. Looks like we'll have to drill this part right here when it's marked, and this one right here. Half an inch drill bit. Let's see if that's gonna work. Alright, so it's the next day. I had to order another shelf because, of course, the one that I opened up yesterday, it was damaged and there was no hardware included. So just got another one from Amazon. If something, I'm gonna put a link under the description if you want to get that from Amazon. I think it was around $100, a little bit under $100. Alright, so let's open this one and see if this one will have everything inside. Alright, so we got all four holes, two on the bottom, two on the top, that we did yesterday. And now we have to place the spacers in between. This one might be here. Let me see. It's four spacers. Let's place the table. Czekaj, jeszcze parę szybaczek zobaczyć. And the table is ready. So now when you open the gate, I got some room to access the back. You got some room on the table, room for some cups. There's a Rough Country logo right here. Of course, a little Jeep right in the corner. You got rubber bumpers over here, so you won't hear too much noise from this thing. It looks pretty good.